Hello YouTube! Today we have an old case 3A M18 Milwaukee battery, which we found in the recycle bin. And because we are very curious to know how much capacity have left of such old and used battery, in this video we will try to repair the error code problem and we will measure the capacity which have left. As always, before opening the case, we measure the voltage to see if we have chance to get a good battery. With these voltage results on screen, I give 80% that the batteries are alive and will need some balance. So, let's open the case to find the problem. As you can see, the last two series of batteries S4 and S5 are below of 2.5 volts. As we all know, these voltages are catastrophic for lithium batteries. With such a low voltage on the battery, it loses cycle life and the internal resistance, with consequent reduction of capacity. Now let's charge the specific batteries to reach the same voltages as the rest and make the capacity test. Because both batteries have almost the same voltages, I will charge them in series. Okay, nice. The error code disappeared and the battery charging normally. In capacitance measurement, we will need this undervoltage protection circuit, because battery BMS did not have power cutoff function. Now we must calculate the minimum voltage of the battery to program the circuit cutoff voltage. As you can see, the results after 20 years, the lithium battery gives us 1.7 amps at 5 amp discharge rate, which is around 57% of capacity.